there, my name is Kelly and this is the Canon PowerShot 8590. It's the childhood camera I used. My parents gave it to me when I was a kid, and today I thought it would be really fun to challenge myself and take portraits with this. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go. This challenge slash vlog is gonna be told in 3 parts, and let's go. Can you return batteries?
Kelly.
Sir. These are $9. This is on a swing right now. I shoot with a lot of expensive equipment. Today, I'm gonna challenge myself and take pictures of Dorothy with these 2 cameras, and we'll see.
Oh my gosh, you know what we should do afterwards? You should sell them on eBay. See how much you can make.
Such an entrepreneur. Okay, so I have the Canon PowerShot here, and I'm just going to try to set the settings. As you see here, my dad has previously shot with this camera. A lot of pictures of rocks.
He's got some innate talent.
Here, ooh, you can shoot on manual. That's cool. I wonder if you can shoot raw.
You can shoot
raw. Okay, let's erase all my dad's wonderful photos, but unnecessary. Wow. So I don't even know how to change the settings. You know, this is the shutter speed. So how do you change the f-stop? Ooh, it's got manual focus, normal mode, and macro.
They shouldn't have named it MF.
Here's the ISO. So we're just gonna change it according to how much our shutter speed is. So it looks like Canon's old model is pretty usable when it comes to manual settings, but it does look like the ISO only goes up to 1600, whereas the DSLRs now go way higher than that. Let's start shooting.
Yeah. So I'm gonna call Mary and Grandma. You cannot take a picture of my left face because I have a pimple.
So kind of come in.
How much do you want me to know?
So I'm gonna bust out the Olympus Zoom. This is the oldest camera. I'm not even sure it works.
Okay, go on.
This is cool because I spent all day looking for an on and off button, but all you have to do is slide it and it turns on, which is so freaking cool. And then the thing with the display though is
is that there is none.
yeah, it's kind of broken. It flickers, so I don't know. We won't be able to see like what we're taking pictures of, but when we put it on the screen, hopefully the picture's still there. The SD card, I don't even think they make ports for these anymore. But this is what the SD cards used to be like. They're this big. And so we're gonna have to find a way to get these on my laptop, but that's a different story.
You look so cool doing that.
Right there, just kind of like pondering. Yep. We're yeah, this one. Are we both in the shot? No.
Oh no, it's not that.
You know what would be the coolest invention ever? A levitating tripod.
That's weird.
Elon Musk who?
So, can't get in legally, but no door. So, we're going in here once she gets the drone. That was strangely anticlimactic. Kelly? Please, look at this. You cannot pass. Devil's home for all time. 6'6". Do we really want?
I'm so scared. So the entrance there, it's like falling apart, and there are stairs, and there's stuff written on it that says "Do not enter." So we're not.
However, that's graffiti, and honestly,
it's probably someone just messing with you. But like, still, it's literally like, oh,
it did strike fear in our hearts. Someone wanted to revolt, but didn't get To the T.
Wait, what if he was in the middle of writing it?
Oh my god, and the
And
devil. Oh my
something
god, the
showed
devil.
up
Ugh.
and he couldn't finish.
What if I took a picture and something else showed up on the screen? Dorothy, my model, my beautiful model. One picture.
Yeah.
By the door.
Look out to the
So let me know how I did in the comment section below. The photos will be on my photography Instagram if you want to look at them. And I'm sorry to say that I did not manage to get the photos off of this. It was just, yeah, nothing was compatible anymore. I didn't try that hard. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and be sure to follow my socials in the description box and check the post notifications to be notified when I post a new video. Okay, I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!